Ever pondered over the technological marvels that have bolstered India's defense capabilities? Have you ever wondered about the institution behind these developments and what it has planned for the future? Well, today we'll dive into the accomplishments and future plans of the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, of India. Established in 1958, the DRDO has been at the forefront of developing indigenous defense technologies and systems. Over the years, this esteemed organization has been instrumental in strengthening the country's defense infrastructure. A notable accomplishment of the DRDO was the development of the Agni series of ballistic missiles in the late 20th century. These long-range missiles significantly bolstered India's strategic deterrence capabilities. The turn of the century marked a new era for DRDO, with the successful development and deployment of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile in 2001. A joint venture with Russia, this missile is unrivaled in speed and precision, making it a formidable addition to India's defense. Fast forward to the 2010s, the DRDO made significant strides in developing advanced defense systems like the light combat aircraft, Tejas, and the anti-satellite weapon system, Mission Shakti. These technological marvels positioned India among the elite club of nations with such advanced capabilities. Now, let's talk about the future. With the dawn of the 2020s, DRDO has set its sights on new horizons. One of the key future projects of DRDO is the development of the Hypersonic Technology Demonstrator Vehicle, or HSTDV. This cutting-edge technology aims to develop hypersonic vehicles capable of reaching speeds greater than Mach 5, ushering in a new era of defense technology. In addition, DRDO is investing heavily in artificial intelligence and robotics. The organization's focus is on developing unmanned vehicles, both for aerial and ground operations. These initiatives will be instrumental in modernizing India's defense and reducing human risk in conflict zones. Moreover, DRDO is also gearing up to launch various apprenticeship training programs through its gas turbine research establishment in Bengaluru for the financial year 2024 to 25. This initiative will foster the next generation of defense scientists and engineers, ensuring the organization's growth and innovation continue. In conclusion, the DRDO has been a cornerstone in bolstering India's defense capabilities with its numerous technological innovations. From the development of ballistic missiles to light combat aircraft, and now focusing on hypersonic technology and artificial intelligence, the organization has always strived to keep India at the forefront of defense technology. The future looks bright for DRDO, and we can expect many more groundbreaking innovations in the years to come. Here's to the unsung heroes of DRDO who work tirelessly behind the scenes to safeguard the nation.